Anthropic just dropped Claude Opus 4.6, and I want to compare it to Opus 4.5. I set one simple task for Opus 4.6, which I had previously set for Opus 4.5. Build me a geometry dash game in 10 minutes. What I got back was impressive, unplayable, and the most expensive 3 prompts I have ever sent in my life. Stay till the end, because I am going to reveal the single biggest downside of Opus 4.6 that nobody is talking about. A while back, I ran a challenge on this channel. Give Claude Opus 4.5 a single prompt, build a geometry dash clone, 10-minute timer. He succeeded. Now, Opus 4.6 is here, so I am running the exact same test. Same prompt, same timer, apples to apples. No corporate benchmarks, just vibes and a stopwatch. While Claude is locked in and cooking, let me break down what changed. First, the context window jumped from 200,000 tokens to 1 million. That is 5 times bigger. You could fit 2 entire Lord of the Rings trilogies in there. Second, adaptive effort levels. The model now decides how hard to think based on the task. Simple question, instant answer. Complex problem, deep reasoning. Third, agentic coding. Opus 4.6 does not just write code, it executes, tests, and fixes it, the whole pipeline. That is exactly what we are testing today. First iteration comes back after almost 8 minutes. Opus 4.5 did it in 5. Already slower. Let us see if it is worth the wait. The menu looks great, dynamic background, clean layout, proper buttons, small issue with volume sliders, but overall solid. Now, the gameplay, and immediately I realized this game is impossibly hard. Dark Souls difficulty, the floor level is way too high, obstacles are packed together, I die 14 times in 3 seconds. This is not a game, this is punishment. But here's the thing, Opus 4.5 first iteration was even worse. That version was straight up broken. Not hard, broken. So we went from cannot play because broken to cannot play because impossibly hard. Progress. I describe all the bugs and send it back for round 2. And here is where it gets concerning. Opus 4.5 exceeded the 10-minute limit by 3 minutes. Opus 4.6 blew past it by 8 minutes. This better be worth it, Claude. Final version. Menu is perfect. Everything works. Looks like an actual indie game. Gameplay is better, floor level fixed, visually easier, but I still cannot beat it. For comparison, the Opus 4.5 version was brain-dead easy and looked way simpler. The 4.6 game genuinely looks more like a real geometry dash clone. Better menus, better visuals, more soul. It just also wants to destroy you. Opus 4.6 thinks better. Output quality is higher. The game looks more real, but the speed cost is brutal. Everything takes longer. And the improvements, while real, are not mind-blowing. A bit better, not a paradigm shift. The biggest downside. After the experiment, I asked Claude to make the game easier so I could check the full gameplay. One simple follow-up. Claude did it and then hit me with, "You have exhausted your usage limit." 3 total interactions. 1 prompt, 2 follow-ups. Limit gone. If we were paying per token, Opus 4.6 would cost dramatically more than 4.5 for the same task. All that deep thinking burns tokens, and tokens cost money. This bothers me. New models should be learning to work smarter, not just longer. The real breakthrough is not a model that thinks for 20 minutes and produces slightly better results. It is a model that produces the same results in 2 minutes. But right now, the entire industry is moving the opposite direction. Every new model thinks longer, burns more compute, and we foot the bill. Anthropic, I want Opus 4.7 to be smart and fast and cheap. That would be absolute cinema. Claude Opus 4.6 is a real upgrade. Million token context, better coding, higher quality output, but it is slower and hungrier. 3 prompts, and your limit is toast. If output quality matters more than cost, upgrade. If you send dozens of prompts daily, be very careful. Thanks for watching.